Hello everyone, I hope you all are fit and fine. In today's class, I am going to take exercise 3.2. In exercise 3.2, you have to multiply horizontally the number and find the product. So, what is the question? Multiply horizontally to find the product. Numbers are 421 multiplied by 3. You have to multiply 3 in 421. Okay. So you have to multiply both the numbers horizontally. So for this, first you will multiply 3 and 1. Okay. What will you get? 3 ones are 3. Since this is 421 is greater and this is 3-digit number, so you have to write the places up to 1000. You have to write the place one more. Okay. So write ones, tens, 100, 1000. Okay. 3 ones are 3. Then 3 twos are 6. What will you get? 3 twos are 6. So write cross in ones place and write 6 in tens place. Okay. Then you have to multiply 3 and 4. 3 fours are 12. So to write 12, first you have to cross ones and tens place and then you have to write 12. Okay, and then 8. 3 cross will be 3. 6 as it is you have to write. Then 2 and then 1. What will you get here? 1263. This is the product. Next question is 234 multiplied by 4. So see the number 234. This is 3-digit number. So first you have to write the places up to 1000. Ones, tens, 100 and 1000. Okay. Now you have to start multiply horizontally. First you will multiply 4 and 4. 4 fours are 16. So write 16. 6 on ones place and 1 on tens place. This way you have to write 16. Because you will get 4 fours are 16. Now multiply 4 and 3. 4 threes are 12. So leave ones place by crossing it and then write 12. 2 in ones tens place and 1 in 100 place. This way you have to write 3 fours are 12. Now you have to multiply 4 and 2. 4 twos are 8. So cross out ones and tens place and write 8 in 100 place. Okay. Now you have to add numbers. 6 cross will be 6. 1 plus 2 will be 3 and 1 plus 8 will be 9. Okay. What will you get here? 936. This is the product. Now you have to multiply 8 and 507. So first you have to write places up to 1000. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. Now multiply 8 and 7. 8 sevens are 56. So write 56. Then leave the ones place. 8 zeros are 0. Write 0 in tens column. Then leave ones and tens place. 5 eights are 40. Write 40 in 100 and 1000 place. Now add 6. You will get in ones place. Then 5 plus 0 will be 5. 0 and 4. So as the product you will get the answer 4056. Next multiplication is 610 into 9. Okay, you have to multiply horizontally. So first you will write the places up to 1000. ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Now multiply 9 and 0. 9 zeros are 0. Write 0 in ones place. Then 9 ones are 9. Write 9 in tens place and cross out ones place. Then multiply 9 and 6. 9 6 are 54. So write 4 in 100 place and 5 in 1000 place and cross out ones and tens place. Okay. Now you have to add these numbers. 0 cross cross will be 0. 9 cross will be 9. 4 as it is and 5 as it is. What will you get? 5490. This is the product. Now the next multiplication is 1955 multiplied by 7. You have to multiply 7 in 1955. Since 1955 is 4-digit number, so you have to write the places of 5-digit number. Okay. So you have to write places up to 10,000. Ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. Okay. Now start multiply. 5 sevens are 35. Okay. Then again multiply 7 and 5. 7 fives are 35. Cross out ones place and write 35. Then multiply 7 and 9. 7 nines are 63. So cross out tens and ones place and write 63. Then 7 ones are 7. So cross out ones, tens and 100 place and write 7 in 1000 place and add. So 5 you will get in ones column. Then 3 plus 5 will be 8. You will get in tens column. 3 plus 3 will be 6. You will get in 100 column. And 6 plus 7 will be 13. You will get in 1000 and 10,000 column. So what will you get the number? 13,685. So the product is 13,685. This way you have to find the product horizontally. When you do the multiplication of 4-digit and 1-digit number, you have to write the places up to 10,000. Okay. Now next multiplication is 3,790 multiplied by 8. Okay. And you have to find the product. You have to multiply horizontally. So take 8 and 0. Okay. Since first you have to see this is 4-digit number, so you have to write the places up to 10,000. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. I told you that for 4-digit number you have to write the one more place. Okay. To solve the sum. Now 8 zeros are 0. So write 0 in ones column. Then multiply 8 and 9. 8 nines are 72. So leave ones place and write 72. Then multiply 8 and 7. 8 sevens are 56. So leave ones and tens place and write 56. Okay. Then multiply 8 and 3. 8 threes are 24. So leave ones, tens and 100 place and write 24 and add. In ones column you will get 0 because only 0 is here. So write 0. See the tens column 2. Only 2 is here. So write 2 in the answer. Then in 100 place you have 7 and 6. So 7 plus 6 will be 13. So write 3 in the answer. Carry over 1. Then 1 plus 5 will be 6 and 6 plus 4 will be 10. So write 0 in the answer, carry over 1, and 1 plus 2 will be 3. What will you get here? 30,320. So what is the product? 30,320. When you multiply 8 in 3,790, you will get 30,320 as the product. Now next multiplication is 2039 multiplied by 5, and you have to find the product. Okay, since 2039 is 4-digit number, so you have to write the places one more. Okay, so ones, tens, 100, 1000, and you have to take one more place which is 10,000. Okay, so first multiply 5 and 9. 5 and 9. 5 nines are 45. So write 45. Then multiply 5 and 3. Leave one's place and multiply 5 and 3. 5 threes are 15. Then 5 zeros are 0. So leave ones and tens place and write 5 zeros are 0. Then multiply 5 and 2. So leave ones, tens and 100 place and write 5 twos are 10. Now you have to add all these numbers. In ones column you have only 5 here. So write 5 in the answer. In tens place you have 4 and 5. So 4 plus 5 will be 9. So write 9 in tens place. Tens column. Then in 100 column you have 1 and 0. So write 1 in 100 column. Then in 1000 column you have only 0. And in 10,000 column you have only 1. So what will you get here? 10,195. So when we multiply 5 in 2039, you will get 2,195 as the product. So dear students, to solve multiplication questions, you have to learn tables from 2 to 10. When you learn table from 2 to 10, you will do the sums very easily. Okay, so learn table from 2 to 10. Okay, that's all for today's class. Have a nice day.